कि अमरीकी सदर ट्रंप का ईरान पर मजीद सख्त हमले करने का ऐलान। कहा कि ईरान पर भरपूर हमले करेंगे। ट्रंप की पाकिस्तान की सालिसी की कोशिशों की भी तारीफ। बोले कि वजीर आजम पाकिस्तान और फील्ड मार्शल बहुत अच्छे इंसान हैं और बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं।
पाकिस्तानी क़यादत अमरीका ईरान मुआहदे के लिए कोशिशें कर रही है। ऐसी डील चाहते हैं जो बामायनी और हमारे मफाद में हो।
But we hit them hard yesterday, and we're going to hit them again hard today, in case you. And we'll see what happens with the deal. We were really close to a deal. It's a good deal. It doesn't give them the right to have a nuclear weapon. In fact, it totally prohibits them from ever having a nuclear weapon. And I gave them a break at the request of Pakistan. The Field Marshal and the Prime Minister of Pakistan are great. We stopped them from going to war with India. You would have had a nuclear war if it wasn't for me. But they became friendly to me, very friendly, and they're close to Iran, and they worked, and they still are working on trying them to do what's right.